Today's video we are going to be unboxing the March TOYL box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video, it's another unboxing video, and we have, let me just cover my address up, we have this is the March TOYL box. I would just like to personally say thank you to every delivery driver, whoever the hell you are, who delivered my box. It looks like he put it down on the ground and stomped on it. That's exactly what it looks like. I hope everything is okay in the box because that's looking tragic. If you are interested in getting this box and subscribing for yourself, it is £40 per month. This is the most expensive box I pay for monthly. But the brands that you're getting here are simply amazing. The products way outvalue the value of the box. So this box is generally more for the more mature type of person, so they normally say like 35-40 years plus, but you can get this while you're younger. I don't see why not. Just yeah, prevent those wrinkles before they get here. Unlike me, I'm a bit late. You can't really see mine because of the lights I've got on, but yeah. But yeah, and anyway, let's open this up and get to unboxing it. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, oh my god, I can't get in this box. Does anybody else have this problem? And if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, I'm gonna go get me axe and open this up. Right, eventually this is inside the box. So we have the edit card. It has all the information on the products in here, which is great. Nice, neatly packed. Let's have a sneaky peek. Right, not the best of sneaky peeks, but there we go. But we're gonna get to it and see exactly what we've got in here. So let's get started. Just back to the edit card. This box has a value of £109. Opening it up, just here, it says it starts with hydration. So yeah, this edit is called, I'm calling it hydration. So the first product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Aurelia, I hope I'm saying that right, London, and it's a cell repair night oil. The brand says it's an award-winning intense overnight boosting treatment that works in tandem with the skin's natural night repair mode. Bio-organic, pure botanicals ensure the exquisite oil instantly absorbs to work on all fronts. Kalahari oil, I know I've just butchered that, provides abundant essential fatty acids. Mongongo oil restructures and regenerates the epidermis. And baobab, enriched with precious omegas, helps repair, hydrate, renew, while antioxidants provide hibiscus and pomegranate to fight free radical, reducing oxidative stress. Yeah, so overall that sounds really nice. So what I like to do with an oil, obviously yes, any oil, whether they say to use it during the day or not, I always use it at night because I don't like oil on my face during the day, but this is a Pacific night one. Yeah, when I do use an oil in the night time, just take the extra 5 minutes to just massage it in and give yourself a little facial massage while you're at it. But yeah, £42 for a face oil. Let's just have a look inside. That is what it looks like. Very nice, classy packaging, quite simple. But yeah, as I say, it just looks really classy. Yeah, can't wait to try that. That will be going in my skincare drawer until I decide it's time to give it a go. The second product in the box that we have is this. So this is by Ren Clean Skincare, and it's Marine Moisture Replenish Cream. This has a value of £35. It says powered by moisture maximizing matrix infused with pioneering water retention technology and sustainably sourced algae extracts. This lightweight yet rich water locking cream floods the skin with moisture, then traps it in the skin's surface to intentionally replenish and deliver relief from dehydration deep down when and where you need it the most. Cellular picked in from hydrating freshwater plant derives instant and long-lasting hydration to help smooth the appearance of fine dehydration lines. Freshwater microalgae boosts skin's resilience and helps to protect against water loss. You just massage 1 to 2 pumps into freshly cleansed face and neck until absorbed. Oh, well, I love Ren. everything I've tried of Ren so far, my skin seems to love it. So yeah, cool. Really nice clean cut packaging. I really like that. I'm not gonna try it out, so I want this nice and sealed for when I do come and use it, but I'm super excited to get a Ren product because I just love the brand. And the third product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bobbi Brown, and it's a vitamin enriched face base. This has a value of £12. Skincare made for makeup. Our best selling multivitamin enriched moisturising primer for the face instantly nourishes, plumps and preps the skin with healthy hydration to improve the look for foundation. It's full makeup prep in one step, blending the performance of a primer with a cushion of a face moisturiser. A blend of vitamins B, C and E helps to replenish and condition the skin with essential nourishment. A moisturising complex of hyaluronic acid, squalene and shea butter helps to instantly hydrate, plump and prep the skin for a fresh, healthy looking glow. Rich yet lightweight and fast absorbing, the texture cushions the skin and gives foundation a smooth, flawless makeup application. Yeah, cool. I think I've tried this once before and I think I liked it. I can't remember. This is such a cute little size. But yeah, nice little brand to get in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so, so cute. Again, I'm going to leave that sealed. I'm being boring. I'm sorry, but I've got so many bits that have opened I need to get used. But yeah, Bobbi Brown. So the fourth and final product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Ascend, and it's chamomile and CBD cleansing butter. It has a value of £20. This cleansing butter is rich in plant oils to help melt away impurities and even the most stubborn eye makeup before rinsing off as a milk. Leaving the skin perfectly clean with no residue. Skin is left feeling refreshed and soft, not stripped. Made with organic ingredients, plant-based, vegan and cruelty-free, with no mineral oils, artificial fragrances or silicones. So you massage gently into the skin, then rinse off with warm water to cleanse and remove the makeup. Yeah, straightforward and to the point really. Yeah, let's open this one. I've got to open one of them, haven't I? This will definitely get used because I love stuff like this. Ooh. That smells quite nice as well. Oh, it's hard. Yeah, okay. That smells actually really relaxing and really nice. Okay, can't wait to slap that on my face. Right, guys, so this is the Hydration Edit. This is the March TOYL box. Has a value of £109. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a nice little box. It really is. The brands in here are amazing. I've never heard of Ascend before, so I'm really interested in trying that product out. I think I've tried this before by Bobbi Brown. I don't know if I have or not, you know. Now I think about it, I don't think I have, so I am really intrigued to try that out. Again, we all know I love Ren. Hopefully you do too if you get this box. And yeah, I've had 1 or 2 products by Aurelia before, so I can't wait to try that one out. I haven't tried that one. So yeah, overall gets a massive thumbs up, but comment down below and let me know what you think. Have you tried any of those products before? Yeah. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!